Alright, we're over here by LAX. It's going to be a future Consolidated Rent-A-Car facility coming in 2023. Now this will all tie into the LAX people mover system. I'll show you some of the bridge work that they're working on, and that'll connect with LA Metro. So ideally later in 2023 or so, you're going to be able to take LA Metro to and from LAX throughout all the different LA Metro options at your disposal. Here's some of the bridge work working its way across Aviation, and then this is going towards LAX.